Hello there, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I have something interesting here. So as you can see, I have this BlackBerry Z10, and this is not an ordinary BlackBerry Z10. This is an development unit. So I have tried to flash it, so it didn't work actually. So when I bought this device, I thought it has software issue, so I can flash the firmware and can use it and make it work. But it didn't work like that, because after getting this phone, and it was something wrong going on with this device, and I have to disassemble this device and check. So let me show you first, if I connect this device with the PC. So if I connect with this device with PC is, so I have connected the device with PC. So the display is working actually, and there is no firmware at all. Maybe this device is a test device, so you can test device with your connecting to your computer and PC. And there are some notice you can see here. Maybe you can read. As you can see here, this device complies with part 15, something like that. So it is there, but and as you can see, the USB device is connecting now. So it's connected to the PC actually, and I can access the what is called the storage of this device, and it has some information there, like some videos of BlackBerry Z10 and other things. So let me open the back shell and show you what's going on with the device, and I will show you this device mainboard and compare the with the original mainboard. And as you can see, opening up the mainboard is just easy. It's just you can take out like this, and as you can see here, the mainboard is not complete here, and it has no battery. So the battery point are here, but there is no battery point, actual point, and these are actually metal piece which are screwed down with screws here. And another thing is that the camera here is dummy camera, and as you can see here, there's nothing connection, and even the volume button has no connection with the main board. But one thing interesting is here is that the main board. Actually, you will not see that the development unit is like this. Development unit mostly the complete device, but they have some firmware issue, like the firmware is not there, or the firmware you cannot, not like the real firmware. And from the sticker you can see it's about 2008, or maybe it's maybe the date is to 8 and that the year is this side maybe, and you can see the serial number here. So interesting part is, so if I show you here, so let me put this aside now. So as you can see here, let's go and show you the picture. So the main board here, as you can see here, it is like the short main board, so it is not full, so half of this, and the battery terminal is there. Camera point are here is same, but it's not there anymore. And the 3.5 mm headphone jack, as you can see here, it's not there here also, but you can see here, and there is no SD card slot, no memory card slot, and nothing like that. But the micro USB in the same spot, as you can see here, micro USB is in the same spot, and there is no speaker and other things. The one more interesting thing is that, let me unplug the display cable. So display, and maybe this one is for the touch. So there are three cables, as you can see. One is not connected with the main board. Let me show you. I try to show you. So two extune. So as you can see here, 1 2 3 ribbon cable. So let me go to the another picture here. So as you can see here, the display has three connection. Maybe the display can be plugged with the real main board of Z10, but for this main board, the plug, as you can see, one of them is not connected. This connection should be there with another connection. Let me see, it will be, yeah, as you can see, it's main board, it should be connected there. So I don't know what's going on with this device. I've tried to flash it, but I was failed. And let me know if you know anything about this device, and you know how to fix this kind of phone, or what can I do with the device and can make use of this device. So let's disassemble the device. We are already unplugged the ribbon cable here, and we have like 4 Phillips screws here. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we have 4 Phillips screws, and all are same sizes. There's no difference. And let's try to open the mainboard. Okay, okay, the mainboard is here. As you can see here, the mainboard is here, and the HDMI port is also a dummy HDMI port, so it will not work when. And the component are not there. As you can see here, the component for the battery connection are not there, and we have, maybe this is the storage, 4 gig of storage, maybe. Yeah, Hynix, so should be storage, as you can see here. And maybe the CPU and other things are here. So maybe I can take out the shield. Let's take out the shield. Right. Let's see what inside. I haven't checked actually. So as you can see here, we have the RAM module here. Maybe this is the RAM and this is the CI CPU. Maybe this is the CPU and it's totally different than usual CPU. Let's open another shield. Maybe this is the power IC and other things. And we have a crystal oscillator and everything. I don't know which one. Maybe this is about Wi-Fi IC or network IC, and this is the power IC here. I don't really know, but I'm thinking that this is the power IC. We have many coils here, and I don't really know. And other things are here. So let's put it back and show you what's the flash storage. So let's plug it back, and as you can see here, they have no volume button connection, but the power button are two of them. I don't know for what, but they don't really do anything. I tried both of them pressing. One of them, if I press, the device shut down actually or reboot, but other things doesn't work. So let's put them back. Okay, just put, and let's connect the display and other things to show you what's going on with the storage. Okay, connected. Connected. So let's connect the device again with the PC and show you what we are getting with this device. So let me know if you know anything about this device and what can I do with this device. It will be very helpful for me. So we are connected, and let's go to our PC and check what are there. So the device is connected, the display is working, and if I open the file browser, as you can see, media player, and it's 4 gig. So if I open it, as you can see here, there are some videos here, and if I open these videos, so these videos can be playable actually. So you can play here, as you can see, and it shows the demo of the apps in BlackBerry Z10, and you can confirm that this is a BlackBerry Z10 actually development unit from these things, but the videos has no sound and anything like that, so you can't do anything about it. So there is nothing, and so these are the videos. There's nothing which showing the demo of the apps like your browser and other things. So I don't know actually what can I do with this device. I paid $1.75 for this device, including shipping and other things, and it is not working at all. I cannot do anything, and you can read the notice here like the device complies with part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. So these are the some. This device may not cause harmful interface. I don't know what can I do with this device, but this device is quite interesting actually. Yeah, it's not a complete device. Actually, you will not find a demo device or development unit like this, which is not complete. Mostly, if you find the development unit, it will be complete, but it will have like firmware issue. But here, it's totally different issue here. So that's it for today. Maybe hopefully I have made a different videos from usual videos. I don't really make this kind of videos, and I also don't do actually the repair things. Although I know how to repair phones actually, I have done course for this kind of thing, repairing phone, but I don't have any instrument right now to fix this kind of phone and other things to check. But if you know this kind of phone, what can I do in this device, you can let me know in the comment box. I will try to do something with this device, and maybe I will use the display for other BlackBerry Z10 device. I will buy that device, not that actually, that broken display device, and I will use this display to that phone, maybe, but I'm not sure. So as for now, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.